right, I finally broke down and got this JoyJolt set of 12 glass containers. I got tired of the plastic stuff in my cupboards, mismatched. Some had lids, some didn't. I know you understand, you've probably been there, but you kind of get into this pattern where you don't want to throw anything away because you don't have anything better. So I had to force my hand and get this beautiful set of these glass containers, food storage little containers, and that's going to now make me get rid of all that stuff that doesn't match anymore. You have round, you have rectangle, you have square. It's a total of 12 glass containers with matching lids. Now, I love that some of these, you can stack a lot of them. You can't, obviously they're not all going to stack, but you're going to be able to get a lot of these in a compact space. Nice heavy duty glass, and the lids are plastic, but they're BPA-free. Now, here's the real advantage of these lids, is this seal here, this nice seal that makes it impossible. I mean, you could put water in here, put this on, it just snaps in place like so. And then if you put water in here and flip it upside down, there you go. The water's not going to come out. But the most important thing about these lids is there's a seal in here. A lot of these seals they don't come out, but these do. And that's super important because that's an easy place for bacteria to grow. And these really just come out, but there we go. There, see, it'll just come out. You can wash everything, let it air dry, then it just pops right back into place super easy, like so. And then you're not going to have that bacteria growth. So I love so many things about these. So if you're looking for a nice set of storage, food storage containers, definitely check out the JoyJolts. They're really, really good.